Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn how to edit PDF files using Microsoft Word. Step 1. Opening PDF in Microsoft Word. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have Microsoft Word installed on your computer. Now, let's open a PDF file in Word. Open Microsoft Word and select Open. Locate your PDF file, click Open, and there you have it. Your PDF is now open in Word, ready for some edits. Step 2. Editing text and images. To edit text, just click on the text you want to modify and start typing. You can also delete or add new text as needed. Step 3. Saving as PDF. Once you've made your edits, it's time to save your document back as a PDF. Go to File. Choose Save As. Select the location you want to save it to, and select the PDF format. Give your file a name, choose a location, and click Save. And voila! Your edited PDF is now saved.